Cracking your knuckles causes arthritis. Many people have been told that cracking their knuckles, whether by forcefully pulling on them or by bending their fingers, will lead to arthritis in the long run. It's as if your knuckles are fragile glass ornaments that will shatter with each crack. In reality, research has shown that there is no conclusive evidence linking knuckle cracking to arthritis. The pop sound when you crack your knuckles is caused by gas bubbles escaping from the synovial fluid that lubricates your joints. It's similar to opening a can of soda. While it might annoy those around you, it's unlikely to harm your joints or lead to arthritis. So, feel free to crack away if you find it satisfying. Just know that you're not putting your joints in jeopardy of arthritis.